Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back. This is in response to Tony, who is Craft Perch here on YouTube and Instagram. She's hosting a challenge, and it was using regular dyes and making it into Halloween. So, confession, I've already retired Halloween. I'm like full blown Christmas mode. So, yeah, I had to do with what I had on my desk. So, I am turning Christmas into Halloween. So I went backwards. I did have some of the Luna ephemera, so I was kind of lucky. But if you haven't seen my haul video, I showed this bow, and this is the new Tim Holtz bow tied, the colorized part of the colorized collection. So I created this one, and I'm actually really in love with the how simple the layering is. But I wanted to make a fun Halloween card, so I did it in like darker colors. This kind of reminds me of a manly card. I did do the bow ties. You can kind of see that here, the tails differently. This one I had it just like the picture in the image, but I wanted to do it this way. And I love how this came out. I did back it on some glitter cardstock. This is the Luna, from the Luna collection. I just used a little ephemera piece. Did a little Nuvo. Very simple, you guys. I really didn't have enough time to craft, but I just whipped this up with what I just had on my desk. So, and then just took a little piece of ephemera, scary but make it cute. And I kind of like how this came out. It really showed me how versatile this dye is, and I'm excited to use this for future seasons, maybe even a Valentine's Day one. That would be really cute. Next up, I made some flowers, you guys. I wish I did something with the flowers, and again, I really didn't have a lot of time to craft, and I know the deadline is probably tomorrow, so I just thought I'd do what I can. So this is my favorite, like, all-time poinsettia die. Like, if you haven't heard me say this before, this Heartfelt Creations poinsettia is better than a store-bought flower. These create the most, what I think in my opinion are elegant, gorgeous. Oh, this one lost a little gold ball, but you can see the dimension on them. I love doing, what is that when you do with this, the ball, and you kind of form the flowers. This, you pop this into the embossing folder and it comes up gorgeous. So I wanted to make some Halloween one, you guys, and I took some, it's not a black paper, it's more of a, I want to say dark, really dark brown with a little bit of a sheen to it. And I took that holographic cardstock from Cricut, that green paper. I love that paper for Halloween. It gives it that spookiness, and you can see the embossing on the flowers. It really shows. So I created some Halloween poinsettias, and I thought this was really fun and cute. I'm really happy with how they came out. I definitely will probably likely do this again for next Halloween. But it was really simple and fun, and I'm really loving how they came out. And then next up, I took my other favorite poinsettia die. This one you do have to mold a little bit, but it's the Tim Holtz scribbled poinsettia. This die has been one of my favorites, and I wish I had a pink one created, because I want to show you, like, ooh, this is what it looks like. But this is a pink one, and that I made like a spooky version. So I took all of the black cardstock, and I sprayed it with there's a white, I can't find it, like a white mist. It has a little sheen to it, kind of see it. So it gives it a little bit of a fun dimension. And then I took the offsetting paper and just used that same kind of like brown black paper and just layered that on top. And then I took the Dollar Tree tool, the black tool, the snow tool, and then just put that on top, and then added some black sequins. And I love how this came out. It's really giving like dead spooky flowers. And I think that the sketch just makes it a fun little accent. And I wish I thought about adding it to the card, but I really wanted to show you. Like, how fun would that be? I didn't want to take away from this bow. So yeah, you guys, that is my Christmas into Halloween project share, you guys. I wanted to do something fun, but she called me in when I retired Halloween. So that is it for my project share, you guys. I'll leave Tony's video down below. You still have a little bit of time if you want to whip up a project. It's kind of fun to kind of see something that you already have on your desk and turning it into something a little bit different, you know, and making it into spooky season. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.